Good morning. It is 9:45 and I have less than an hour. So let's get this done. I'm gonna go right into it. This is I'm gonna do the AVH level 4 AVH level 4 Iron Woman, and also an FAH. I'm not sure which number, but I found it from the old screenshots of mine. So the first thing is the squat with the side leg lift. 50 of them, so I'm going to do 25 on each side. Starting with right leg, or whatever leg I want. Okay, so 50 squats with side leg lifts. I got a rubber band on my arm. This thing rolls up. Okay, start over. 25. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got a resistance band to make it a little bit harder. 10, I believe. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Are the comments showing up? I can't see any comments. 41, I believe. The last time I was on, comments didn't show up. Let me see here. How do comments? Oh, is that the comments? Well, let's write a comment. Can somebody comment? I can't see any comments. I don't know how to make comments show up. So if you're commenting, I'm sorry, I can't see it. This is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, doing 25, 11. Oh, my booty's burning. That resistance band really makes it burn. And I already lost count because I'm talking. Y'all. Hey, Ashley. Oh, good. I can see comments. Awesome. Awesome. I couldn't see any comments. So that's good. Ooh. Whew. My goodness, this booty. I'll say that's 17. 20. 5 more. 3, 4, 5. Whew. Them booties. Let me take this off. Because next is a marching bridge. 40 marching bridges. Hey, Maggie. Okay. Yep, I can see comments. Hey, Linda. 40 marching bridges. It's supposed to be booty day, huh? You know, I did leg day the other day. I was so sore. And then I did some yoga. Oh, marching bridges. When I did some yoga, some deep stretch yoga, you should go find Audrina Benjamin. Her and Chanel did a yoga video. And after that, my sore legs weren't sore anymore. And well, they were sore, but I wasn't waddling anymore. I think this is 10, okay, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You don't know. It's a lot of steps to climb back into the truck. And after a leg day, it's like, oh my God. How do you waddle up big old steps? I think this is 20. I am always losing my count. So we'll go call this 20, 22, 23. We're supposed to do 40 of these. 26, 28, 32, 36, 4 more. So, yeah, you should look up, or you should try some yoga. It really helps with stretching, especially after your legs are sore. Probably need to stretch. I learned that lesson. Okay. Hi, Luwani. Alright, cool. I need a drink. And what's next? Side to side oblique crunches. That one, how many? 30. Got to start my watch. Oh, I want to count this workout. So lifting up 4 tight. 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woohoo! Alright. Morning, ladies. So, next is the beast to down dog. I like this one. I like down dog. I'll fix my mat. Alright. I like to do my legs a little bit wider. Alright, shoulders away from the ears. How do I look? Okay. Down dog. And then beast just come down. Your knees do not touch the mat. And then back up. 20 of these. Number 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. This one's a little bit more focused, I think. More about getting the movement right. And my feet are falling back. I think this is 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. Oh, already sweating. You know, it's cold in this truck. It's like 40 degrees outside. So it's cold. And I'm sweating here. This should be like 20 now, right? What does it matter if it's round number or not? awesome. So the next one, the knee push-ups with the arm reach. So knee push-ups, 10 knee push-ups, and then you reach out your arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 roll-ups. This one is interesting. You got to use your momentum to roll yourself up. I'm going to use a weight, but you don't have to use a weight. So, I'm going to start from standing because I need to get momentum. Squat, roll back, roll up, stand up. Squat, roll back, stand up. That was 2. We're doing 5 of these. These are fun. Alright. Pause and stand up. That's what I learned in my kettlebell, because they do these roll-ups. I think this is the last one. Pause, stand up. Alright. 5 of them. Good. And then it says 1 freaking awesome burpee. However, the next one I'm gonna do is old school FAH, and it starts with 15 burpees. So that one ended with 1 burpee. This one starts with 15 burpees. So I'm just going to go into 16 burpees. Need some water. Hey Maggie, let's see. Do you do long hauls? Thank you. I'm about, well, long hauls is over the road. Yes, I'm over the road, but I'm also regional, which means I don't go very far away from home. Oh, let me catch my breath. I go about a day out and then I come back home the next day. So go out, spend the night, come back. But yeah, I suppose you could say that's long haul. I'm not gone for days and days or weeks like some or most truckers, but sometimes if my load ever changes, I can go out for 4 days and come back 2 days, something like that. I used to do that with the same company. They do that too, but right now their account is perfect because I get to spend a lot of time at home. So all the benefits of over the road, but a lot of home time, which I like. I want to spend time with my kitties, kiddos. Okay. Alright, I count 50 couch squats. Good morning, Charlie. Hi, Lucinda. Bet you are getting with the what? I don't understand. I'm sorry. Burpee, okay. Bet you are getting with the burpees. I think that's what you said. Hey, Terry. Terry Lynn. Is that how you pronounce it? Good morning. Alright, 50 count squats. Haha. Thank you, Maggie. 2, 3, 4. This one just barely touched the seat with your booty. I think that's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. Good morning, Shannon. 9, 30, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. I can feel my quads. Woo! All right, that's 50. Sounds cool. Okay, 20 mountain climbers. 20 mountain climbers. 6 on that. Alright. I got half an hour left before I gotta leave. That was quick. Next, 50 X squats. Let me grab some water first. That's gone. Next bottle. Ready to go. X out squats 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, Alyssa. 50. Woo! Awesome. Good morning, Alyssa. Thank you. I need to catch my breath. That's one that gets your heart pumping. Whew. Ooh. Next is a 20-second plank. Well, that'll bring my heart down. Sure, I'm flat, elbows and knees pulling towards each other. 10 seconds. How do I look? Alright, 20 seconds. Awesome. Feels good to be back. Okay. My phone acts up. Go back. 20-second plank. Next is a 1-minute squat and press. I'm gonna add some weights. So I can't stretch them out all the way out, but I'll do the best I can. Alright, how do I, let me set my timer. Sorry, I gotta get out of my workout so I can set a timer. Timer, countdown, 1 minute, start. Hey Grace, you have my same name. My name's Grace also. Cool. Whew. This is gonna be a shoulder burn. I like how my shoulders look in the screen. Awesome. I just keep going until my watch buzzes. Whew. Feel the burn. This is like the longest minute of my life. Oh, it buzzed. I'm gonna go for 2 more because I didn't start right when it buzzed. Awesome. Whew. I need to get some, I want to get some adjustable dumbbells, the block kind, one of these days. They got a bunch of good deals on Marketplace and stuff like that. One of these days I'll get it. It's not that expensive either. Alright, 50 donkey kicks. Grab my band. Gotta get that booty a little bit faster. Good morning, good morning. Okay. How much longer do I have? Like 9:29, so half an hour. So I'd say 20 minutes in order to get everything done that I need done. So 50 donkey kicks. I'm gonna do 25 each side. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Fix the band, then start on the other side. 25 on this side too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Awesome. Just one more left. One more exercise on this list is a 1-minute bridge. I'm gonna keep the band on just because. So I'm setting a minute. Now, Now, if it says 1 minute, does that mean hold it 1 minute or just keep going up and down, pulsing? I'll pulse. Something about moving around makes it a little less boring. Whew. Yes, I like winter in that it's cooler outside, so I don't have to run the truck air conditioning all day long. I can deal with cold better than I can deal with heat. Whew. But dang, I don't know what the temperature is like where it is you are. It's like 40 degrees here in Pennsylvania, and there's my minute. Ooh. But it's hot, hot, hot in the truck. I am boiling up. Thank goodness it's cold in here. Here we go. Okay, that was the last one of this exercise. I got 25 minutes till I can log in. But got like a little over 30-minute workout. So I did a round of this before I came on. But look at that sparkle! I feel it dripping down my neck. Awesome! So whatever you do, you can always do something. Even if it's a little thing, you can always do something. Anything is a win. So, love you ladies. I'm gonna go now, but have a good day.